power trick or trade. Alright, I want to do a special big picture review on Apple. I posted this plan February the 6th, and I did this basically that we would make gains in these options, but till this day, these options are up almost 300%. We'll say 250%. Let me show you a lot of key things, what I did, and how some of my serious group members made great money, like, for example, Dexter, in terms of massive chop in the market and a lot of fear in the market, but power trick or trade, the big picture expert, guiding us to wealth and greatness. So here it is, people. I posted this plan. Okay, now it did go against us. Here's the big picture that I want to make. This plan went against us 50%. Big deal. 50% versus 250% gains, people. Come on now. I want you to think about why I talk about the big picture. My plans are about the big picture. They're not little day trades. No, the big picture thinking. The stuff the billionaires want to get into. Anyways, people, that's what big picture means. Billionaire thinking, not little baby thinking. Day trader thinking, no skill thinking. Big picture thinking. I identified this. If it confirmed, I said we're going to go higher. Look at the we blew through the targets on Friday. And it took 1 month, and there was chop. But let's take a look at the gains here. This is called big picture analysis thinking. Look at the options here. They were under 400. They confirmed, but we were close to confirming, right? Let me show you now. But I want you to think carefully why you want to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. Now, people, before I show you the other facts, let's get to the nitty-gritty. Look at this here. They're now $1,120 a close, and they're going to go even higher, okay? Did we hit the targets? The market did this, okay? It confirmed, okay? It pulled back, right? I defended it. I'm going to show you that, and look where we are. It's called big picture thinking. And Dexter, for example, one of my serious followers, or one of my group members, he's beyond serious follower, was in the hole but held based on what I said and is now laughing to the bank. That's big picture thinking, people. That's big picture thinking. Now let me show you something. So here we are, and it shows you that we did enter this. Well, really, my entry was really this, but this did go against me 50%. About 45% at one point in time. However, I want to show you what I said inside of Power Group Trades. All right, people. Here it is. February the 9th, okay? Now, on February the 9th, if you go on the Apple chart, you'll see that the market, Apple had pulled back a lot. There was a lot of fear, but what I saw was there was going to be a reversal. But what I posted was key pivotal numbers, okay? Unlike any professional out there, nobody did what I can do and cannot do what I do. This is why I'm the big picture expert. Let's review what I said here. The market has key pivot point. 254 is one of them. Above that, and that is a good sign. What I was trying to explain was, don't hold your position. Market holds that level, we don't have nothing to worry about it. And you know what? As soon as I posted this, it was around the 12:30 mark, the market started regaining its power. And then I said, and that is a good sign. Above 256, even better. Well, we smashed 256 on February, right? Above 259, listen carefully, a super good sign of a possible strong bounce in the cards. With all this fear and extra flushing, we need this day to end. And where we are at those key numbers will tell us. Now, I didn't finish, but I'm going to explain what I said here. It's going to tell us something. And of course, I said a super good sign. Meaning if we're getting above 259, but we didn't just get through 259, we blew through it. So the market, in where I understand how the market, I study to listen to the market, not assume, not guess, like a lot of people that think they're professionals out there. They should be broke on the streets. They give such bad advice. They have no skill out there. And power trick or trade, I'm coming. I'm coming to fix a lot of people up because I am the big picture expert. Power trick or trade, people. And I'm telling you with passion from my heart because I see a lot of bad advice. And my advice rings true to this day. The market hasn't looked back from this February the 9th post. That's why I know who I am. I am the big picture expert. I level out any trader out there. All these little day traders who say they how to make money don't know how to do this. They're little pop traders. You want to follow, I can do what they do times 10. And you want the big picture expert on your side. All right, now, enough of my preaching there. So people, end result, these options, now what I did, I'll tell you what I did. I did sell these options and I went and I rolled into the 170s. But I'm up practically 300%, okay, on my Apple plan. Okay, that's just Apple. Never mind Microsoft and a whole bunch of other plans that I made, making money in the pop where a lot of pros said, oh, it's going to go Tesla. They just assume and guess. Power trick or trade adapts. I don't assume and guess. I have the skill beyond the skill. I am the billionaire thinking man, in my opinion. Billionaires should be supporting power trick or trade. Coming to me for advice because I am the big picture. That's what I strive to become, the best in big picture thinking. I am nowhere. I'm not a little day trader. I call him little day trader. Little. You want big picture thinking. I can do all that trading stuff times 10. They can't do what I did. This is high skill levels. Look what I said and look what happened. Wake up, smell the coffee. All right, people. Welcome to Power Trick or Trade. You want to become a group member on Power Group Trades. This is the video you want to see. See? Retweets. I got everything. You know what? People who understand, who follow me, who aren't lazy. I've had people come and go on my group because they're lazy, right? But the serious people, like Dexter, that witnessed the power of what I've done with FedEx, okay? When things were in the dumpster with FedEx, a little bit. It's about 50% against us. 1,000% gains. Power trick or trade, when I'm right, I'm massively correct. We do have stocks that are wrong, but nothing compared to what I'm right. And this is a statistical fact. I had people giving me flack when the market had pulled back. Look what the market's done. The big picture strikes again. If you don't study, if you don't follow me on a daily and see the big picture, you'll never understand the power of what I produce beyond anybody out there. World record holder on February 2016, decimated, cremated with advanced analysis skills. People think they can do what I can do. They can't do what I do because no one's done what I've done consistently. I did it again on February the 9th. I posted something that said something powerful and it delivered. That is skill. That is skill and adaptability of the market and studying key pivotal points. Power trick or trade, people. All right, people, welcome to Power Target Trade. Check out my plans like the BGS, Big Expert Plan explains. I made so many winning plans. Check out my creative playlist. Study it. Listen to me. I'm telling people to wake up, smell the coffee. I've demonstrated myself over the years at key pivotal points of fear with good advice. That beyond most anybody out there. Most chunks out there. Power trick or trade. The leader, market leader. That's what I strive to become. And am, I should say. Because the advice I give is top notch. Top notch. And if you want the truth, study what I've done. This is painstaking. No one's done what I've done and taken the time what I've done. Nobody out there has done what I've done with these videos. Okay, and I show it step by step. Plan, confirmation, after the fact, just like this apple. In a time of pain, in great fear, Power Trick or Trade delivered a huge winning apple plan. Big picture. All you had to do was hold that plan. It's not a day trade, it's a big picture thinking trade. We didn't use any rinky-dinky options. We used options that had time. And to this day, 1 month it made money, straight money. 250% gains. 250% gains, okay? Through chop. That's skill. Not little day trading stuff. I could do day trading stuff. I'm big picture. You want the big picture expert behind every plan you're in. You want to subscribe to this channel. And check out my website here. Let's take a look together. Well, anyways, you click on this link. This will bring you to my website. Feel free to take a look around. I have some key videos posted up there and some key information for you to read. Make sure you follow me on Power Trick or Trade. I wanted to make people... hopefully I help wake up somebody from their deep slumber of why you want to follow a big picture expert, where most people out there do not have these type of skills. They do not. Look what the market has done. Look what I posted in times of fear. Look at my plan, my Apple plan. Never mind just the Apple plan, Microsoft. I put plans in this market difficulty that were going to return us gains. I focused on those particular things. And mostly all my plans have made money. More often than not. I am, people, the big picture expert. Let's see what I see. Alright, people. Now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my creative playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on Power Target Trades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions. And I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like